The Green Rodent Restoration franchise is actually set to work anywhere. And the reason behind that is because you have rodents everywhere, whether you're, again, by the beach, in the mountains, in the desert. Doesn't matter where you'll be, you'll have some sort of rodent in that area. Rodents are phenomenal animals. I mean, they can practically survive in any kind of circumstance. And so with that being said, wherever you are, wherever you live, this is a perfect opportunity for you. Standard pest control company is probably going to charge you anywhere between a few $100 to get rid of your rodent problem. But that doesn't necessarily mean that you're getting actually rid of it. It's just the start of their maintenance plan, which is to get you in that loop. Here, because we're a niche of pest control and restoration, we actually get rid of your problem within one stop. We get rid of the problem and you no longer have to deal with it ever again. And therefore, the average job is anywhere between $3,000 and $15,000.
We don't have an extreme amount of competition when it comes down to the services that we offer. And we get really good Yelp reviews because we're transparent and we're efficient, and we're not afraid to go back to a circumstance if there's something that a customer is not happy with and make it right.
I see the company changing the industry. The company is an open book. You're able to ask questions, learn from it, and from just sticking to it and standing from what it is, you'll be able to be successful.
A Green Rodent Restoration franchise would be good for anybody that wants to be an entrepreneur, wants to have financial freedom, and definitely to serve the community and give back. I think that this business would be a no-brainer for anybody of that mindset.
It boils down to, can you get into a company and can you get into it at the right time? And I don't think there's a better time than now.